So XRP had pretty crazy price action over the last couple of days, losing a lot of the gains. In fact, giving back all of the gains and more since we heard about the ruling that XRP sold on exchanges is not a security. Pretty insane stuff, something that I did not expect to happen. Personally, I've been trading XRP on the short term. I do have my long-term bags, but I was also trading it on the short term. In my very last trade that I did, I think I opened about 3 trades in total, but the last one ended up being stopped out at break even because the price action dropped so low, a price that I didn't think we would see for a long time. Now we're going to discuss exactly what is going on and what I think is happening next, and if I have a new trade open. With that said, remember, nothing in my video is financial advice, and we do see Ripple's CTO clarifying on the SEC's appeal highlights the case's complexity, and according to David, the SEC is seeking an appeal at this specific point based on its interpretation that the legal case has not yet concluded. So he's saying that this is pretty normal, and sadly, this will continue to lengthen out the process of this ruling. It has been accepted by the Judge Torres that the appeal can go through, but we don't have any more information there yet. Now, with that said, the price of XRP did not like the news very much, but it also didn't like the overall markets. The overall markets did drop. Bitcoin dropped drastically over the last couple of days, losing its position at 29,000 and hitting a low of 25,200. Now, something that I pointed out is that this was the low that we were watching, right? 24.8 to 24.9. We wanted to see that hold, and so far we have seen it hold. So in my opinion, this longer term uptrend is actually still intact. Even though we lost this support, we didn't put in a lower high here yet. We also have the RSI looking quite bullish in my opinion, but we're going to have to wait to see what happens with that. But looking at XRP itself, we can see it saw a low of 42 cents, which is a price we haven't seen since way back in May. We do also have the RSI close to the oversold region, pushing higher now today, but what I saw was an opportunity here. We saw this huge move upwards. We saw this downward momentum. And when we got to these sorts of lows, I started thinking, hey, this is a great opportunity for a potential bounce. So I actually got into a trade at 49 cents. We can see here today, it sits at 162% profit right now. If you guys do want to open up yourself a completely free trade, you can do so over on Bybit by following the link in my description. Pause this video and you can grab yourself an airdrop right now of 100 USDT position, and you can bet whether or not you think XRP is going to go up or down from here. But something that I'm watching closely is the fact that we did break through this 200 MA, which has proved as quite a nice support recently, but we did break below it, but now we have pushed back up it, and right now we may potentially be flipping this into a support. So that's what I'm looking at on a TA perspective, although it is very hard to do TA on something that has moved so significantly recently. But the overall market sentiment for XRP holders is still relatively bullish. Now, people are expecting the price of XRP to go to insane numbers. I don't think they're going to go to insane numbers. I think that, you know, a few dollars is definitely possible, but these $100 predictions, these $10,000 predictions are not something that I am expecting. Now, I hold a relatively large position of XRP in comparison to my portfolio. If it goes to $10,000, I will be obscenely rich. So I have no problem with it happening. Just know that on this channel, I speak only from my opinion, and I like to be a realistic person here. I will be taking profits from XRP if the price starts to head upwards, probably shaving a little bit at around the dollar mark and then continuing to do so higher and higher we go. With that said, there is a lot of speculation that XRP's switch is about to be flipped. Now, this is all to do with banking, right? So let's hear what this guy had to say.
No, so as I said, the XCurrent product, the way it's implemented today, uses fiat currencies. So the convergence that we see coming in the next phase is for banks to have an option to say, do I want to use XRP? So instead of the German bank holding Turkish lira, they could say, Akbank, are you able to accept XRP and give me Turkish lira? Here's 100 lira worth of XRP. Here's 1 million lira worth of XRP. And instantly that can be settled without having to hold balances. So that's the holy grail. That's the ultimate end goal that we're aiming for. But if you don't have connectivity, you can't even start. So first you get the banks connected. They do what they're doing today better. They like it. They build new services on it. Then they go, I want to do this in 100 countries, but I can't hold currencies in 100 countries. Well, guess what? You got XRP.
So essentially connecting all banks worldwide to make instant settlements in XRP, but from fiat to XRP and then back to fiat. That's the plan. One of the things that people are speculating is going to make a crazy increase in the price. I don't personally think it's going to go to $10,000. I think this will increase the price if it happens. I think it will be amazing news, but I don't think it's going to $10,000. Let me know down there in the comment section what you guys think. And with that said, XRP's price is looking particularly okay for me. I have my position open. I have my long-term position. I'm sitting waiting patiently to see what happens here. The overall market is a mixture of red and green today. So we do have to wait patiently here. Dollar cost averaging into stuff you believe in. If it's only XRP, you should be dollar cost averaging. If it's only Bitcoin, you should be dollar cost averaging because you've had such a great opportunity over the last couple of days. But of course, it's totally up to you what you do with your money. Personally, I've bought Bitcoin, I bought Ethereum, and also I recently bought some more Solana because I think that this could be one of the best returns in the next bull run. But that is, again, total speculation. I'll make another video talking about why I bought Solana. With that said, guys, hopefully I provided you with some value, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.